Good day. I just completed the rear brake pad replacement on my 2005 Ducati SuperSport 1000. Just referred to the service manual instructions. There's a clip back here behind the caliper here. That clip has to come off, and then this pin here, see the pin, pull that pin out. And I was doing this with the caliper off, and there's two bolts that hold the caliper on. A bolt here, one there on this side, one bolt there, one there. And it's easier to turn the caliper to get that pin out. Ended up tapping it out a bit. It was a bit sticky. And there's the old pads. Let's have a look at the wear. The outer pad was worn a bit thinner compared to the inner pad. It's clear or not? Let's see. That's the outer pad. Here's the inner pad. Yeah, the outer pad's a bit thinner, worn thinner than the inner pad. So it's like, I don't know what that is. Maybe 2 millimeters, something like that, thereabouts. Yeah, so I've had these around for a while. Finally, it's time to replace them. This brand, and just put them back in. I found that this clip on top, it stays in place. I just pushed it down here to get that pin through. So fit the pads in, the outer pad in first, put the pin through, push it through, put the inner pad in, push the pin through, so it comes out. There's a sleeve on this pin. It's got a taper to it, so it's a bit tricky to put back in. You have to kind of squeeze it as you tap the pin in. It comes out this side. Put that clip back in, and it's done as far as the pad replacement goes. Other considerations too, but that's just an overview on how I replace these. There you have it, an overview on rear brake pad replacement on my 2005 Ducati SuperSport 1000. Thanks for watching.